Hello and welcome to another video about Aspen. Aspen is Trebble's Mac native HTTP client for API development. In this video, we will learn how to import and export collections in Aspen. Collections let you organize and manage API requests. You can group related APIs in folders and name them as well. To import a collection, let's go to the Collections tab and choose Import Collection. You can select a JSON file and your imported collection will appear in the sidebar. Aspen supports Postman-compatible files and works best with the version 2.1. You can similarly export a collection. And then it works in Postman and other HTTP clients as well. It's free, fast, and secure. We don't save any of your API data, so you can use Aspen with complete peace of mind. Download Aspen today on the App Store and try out the import-export feature. Let us know if you like this video and what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.